How do you do, miss?
I'm fine, thank you.
May I ask you some questions?
Of course.
I'm here at the FBI. Have you noticed anything unusual?
Well, then a couple strange characters, not really. I don't really pay attention to the small details.
I see. Well, what kind of strange are we talking about?
Just weird dressed and odd behavior, I guess.
Okay, well, I'm gonna go scope the place out now. Man in bathrobes on the subway? Interesting. Ugh, I can't believe I forgot to change the door. Whoa! Ugh! Huh? What in the world was that? Beep beep boop beep 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 boop. Beep 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 boop. Destroy all life forms. What the? Input error. Ah, poop again. Hello, Mr. Robot. Are you the one causing all the subway problems? Now don't play dumb. Answer the question. Ow. It's Mrs. Robot for your information, and so what if I'm the problem, you worthless bag of bones? Oh, you're gonna get it now. Case my metal claws. Input this, robo-butt. Ugh! Now look here. No, this is my subway. My family is a subway train, so I should have rights. Compute? Oh, I understand alright. So I'll show you what I think of your robot rights. Say hello to my little friend, you heap of junk. Narg! Blasted humanoids! Well, that settles that. My work here is done and over with. No need to worry, my fellow citizens. You won't be having any more subway malfunctions. You won't ever have to ride in fear again. Phew, but don't go all thinking me at once. It is my job.
Excuse me, but can you be quiet?
Oh, yeah, sorry.